Hi, Matthew Palmer here. Welcome to my studio. And I just want to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And thank you for your support over the past year. 2025 has been a wonderful artistic year. We've done so much wonderful things. We've painted everything from stained glass windows to beautiful animals to gorgeous landscapes to amazing seascapes. We've had new books come out. Watercolour TV's had so much content on there. The Facebook group's gone from strength to strength. We've done wonderful TV shows. It's been an amazing 2025, and I can't thank you enough. From the bottom of my heart, I'm saying thank you for all your support, and again, have a wonderful Christmas. Now let's keep the paint flowing right through into 2026. We've got an amazing year, some exciting new things coming up in 2026, including massive updates to Watercolour TV, loads of new content, exciting new studios. We've got an app being launched as well for Watercolour TV members. So Watercolour TV is going from here to here to here. It's going up another level. So make sure you stay with me through 2026. Of course, loads of cool workshops. We are approaching 6 years of teaching live virtual watercolour workshops, and Watercolour TV is approaching 18 years. It's amazing. So again, thank you so much. Have a wonderful festive season, a great Christmas, a wonderful new year, and I'll see you in 2026. Have a good one.